Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nika. And in today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay paano maging maganda. Yes, keep on watching, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel if you find value to the video. And don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Without further ado, gawin na natin itong ating look for today, so that we will not be haggard and look prettier. Tignan natin kung paano tayo gaganda. Properly prep na naman to. I put my go-to moisturizer, yung Olay, at currently I'm using Cetaphil. It's a scrub. It can be used daily, so i-review ko yung product para sa inyo guys siguro after mga couple of months of using it, kasi sa ngayon I'm only using it for about a month. So sa tingin ko naman may improvement sa skin ko, pero of course I'm gonna make another review para naman kung helpful ito para din sa inyo. Alright, so ang gagamitin natin ngayon ay BB cream. Using this, I bought this for 100 pesos lang ata sa Miniso sa SM, diba? And I'm using my Lala Muse beauty blender right here, guys. Medyo madumi na siya. So I'm just putting the product on my hand. Mga ganito lang siya kadami. Ganyan. Or it depends sa'yo kung gaano kadaming gusto mong gawin na coverage. Buildable naman siya. So just put it on your face. Like that. Make sure you cover yung areas na gusto mong i-cover. Kung gusto nyo guys yung more coverage, kung medyo gusto nyo ng heavy coverage kasi kailangan ayun, plakadong-plakado, you can use foundation. Yun yung purpose nun. BB cream for me, I use it lightweight kasi siya. Yung effect na parang yun, parang wala lang. Hindi ka masyadong halata na ito ay plakadong-plakado ang iyong mukha. So, you can also go to foundation kung yung mood mo is for something na kailangan mo talagang i-cover yung buong face mo. So, yun yung pwede mong gawin. Next, after I put BB cream, I typically use ito, yung setting powder, and most popular, laging ginagamit na madami. This is a final powder from Nica-holics. Ang shade na ginagamit ko is Creamy Glow, so it really depends on you. I would rather suggest na magpunta kayo sa, sa store para ma-check nyo, matest nyo. And so, all you have to do is just pat it on your face, na ganyan. Setting siya, so you have to leave sa face mo ng very light, siguro mga few minutes. Ganyan siya. So, I typically cover everything. It depends sa'yo. Kung gusto mo yung T-zone lang, itong area lang na to. Ayan, it depends sa'yo. So, yun, after I put this, you're gonna see na medyo matte siya, diba? Next ko na dyan ay itong pangkilay. So, last time I posted on my Facebook, if you've already followed me on my social, sa Facebook ko, Rendon-Cruz, I put there a post na sabi ko paano magkaroon ng plakadong kilay. Ito actually yung secret ko. So, I've been eyeing on this product. This is what they call L'Oreal. It's a L'Oreal Unbelievable Brow. So, I bought this nung kinasala ko, which was in November. Medyo matagal ko na siyang ginagamit, pero madami pa rin yung naman ng product. So, I use this almost every time I go out kasi nga, maganda siya talaga guys. Hindi ka magsisisi. Yung tipong nag-swimming ka na. Last time nung umatan ako ng party ng chika lang. Umatan ako ng party ng friend ko. And we swim. Christmas party. Birthday party ng anak ng friend ko. And yun, nag-swimming ako, and then paglitaw ko sa tubig, nandun pa rin yung kilay ko, diba? Sabi nung nakakita sa akin ng isa, sabi, bakit lang naman sa friend mo kung ano yung secret niya? Bakit ganun pa rin yung kilay niya? Bakit hindi nabubura? So, ito guys, yung secret ko. Medyo pricey siya. It's about 500, I think. So, ililink ko na lang yung price niya kung saan ko siya binili on the description below. Yun guys. So, medyo pricey siya, pero invest on it, and I'm pretty sure na hindi ka magsisisi. Okay? So, gawin na natin. This is para siyang liquid type. Ganito siya. Ganito yung spoolie niya. So, all you have to do is just put it on your kilay. Konti lang. So, umpisa, medyo mahihirapan ka kung hindi ka sanay sa liquid type. Kung ginagamit mo yung cream type or yung pencil type na brow liner. So, ito. Ganyan lang siya, guys. All you have to do is, yan. Hindi ka naman agad-agad na parang titigas na siya. Dahil it will give you ample time para maiset mo yung kilay mo. So, yan. Sundin mo lang yung linya. Ang tip, guys, sa pagkikilay, sundin mo lang yung linya ng kilay mo. You don't have to be very put a lot of effort. So, yan. Ganyan siya, guys. Okay. So, as you can see, may kilay na ako agad. Of course, you have to blend it out, guys. Okay. Blend. I'm trying to achieve yung natural look lang sa video na to. So, yun. Natural lang siya. Gawin natin yung kabila. And make sure you have this. It comes with it. Kaso medyo matigas. Hindi ko bet. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. This is Marinade. Binili ko sa Watson's. I think parang 100 something lang bili ko dito. Ayun. So, yun na, guys. That's it. So, if you wanna make it parang mas plakado pa dito, all you have to do is just put more product on your kilay. Yun. So, yun na siya, guys. Gonna brush off na yung setting powder. After nito, gagamitin, syempre blush on na. Gagamitin natin yung pampa-fresh natin Everbelana. Kasi madali siya apply, guys. Liquid siya eh. So, pwede nyo siyang ilagay dito para magmukha yung pro. Or pwede nyo rin siyang i-direct sa face nyo. Ganda lang siya, guys. Ganyan lang. I'm also using another type, which is yung kanilang Toast of New York. Maganda din siya. Try nyo. I believe it's $165 now in the market. Pampa-fresh lang siya. Ganun. Yeah. Next is, usually, nagkaganto ako when I go out. This is the eyeliner. So, depende sa inyo kung comfortable kayo to use this. So, yan. Napakasimple lang nyo, guys. Lilinyan nyo lang siya. Ganyan. Sa mata nyo. So, if you want the cat eye look, pwede nyo siyang, ganun. Lagyan mo siya ng parang dulo. That's what I do. Diba? Pak na siya agad. So, hindi kailangan maging perfect. Minsan niya hindi pa pantay. Basta lang ayos tingnan. Hindi din ako masyadong nagaganito. Pero depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo maganyan para mabuhay yung mata. Yun, depende rin talaga sa inyo. And next is, ito yung hack ko kung kailangan mabilis akong mag-makeup. Kasi alam niyo na, pag may anak kang makukulit, kailangan mabilisan lahat. This bronzer from MAC, soft scent siya. I use this as tag nito, for my eyeshadow. So, I'm just using a tip na ganito. Ganyan, guys. And then, I'm just getting a little product and then I'm just putting that sa crease ko. Ganyan. Ganyan pa, guys. Yan. Natural lang siya. Para siyang brown. Kasi nga bronzer siya, diba? So, pwede mo siya talagang gamitin dyan. Yan. Yan na siya, guys. Lips na tayo. So, on my lips, I'm using two products. These are all purchases from online, Lazada. 020 siya, guys. So, bongga ng packaging, diba? And I have two shades. I have the lighter one. It's a matte lipstick and plus liquid lipstick. So, meron siyang liquid sa kabila ito. And then ito yung regular lipstick na lang. So, I'm gonna use this lighter shade number 8. That. Okay. And then, I'm using the lipstick side. And then I'm gonna use this darker shade right here. I'm gonna use the lip gloss one. Ganito siya, guys. Diba? Cute. Murang-mura lang to, guys. Ililink ko din sa description. So, ito siya. Ganito ang Korean gradient lips. Sa ilalim mismo, guys. At sa baba din. So, yung effect nun is it creates an illusion. Right? Okay. So, depends on you if you want to use a highlighter. But for me, this look is already a look that you can use when you go out or gusto mo lang mag-refresh. So, this is the final look, guys. I'm wearing an oversized earring because my hair is short para makita. Okay. Alright, so thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something new sa pag-makeup. Alam ko naman na marami sa inyo, especially single ladies, you guys want to really look great. I know, not only the single ladies, pero yung meron na rin, you know, in a relationship or yung may mga asawa na nakagaya ko. You don't want to look haggard or you don't want to be left behind. Kasi syempre gusto natin laging magmukhang maayos tingnan para sa lahat, diba? So, yun. I hope you learned something new from this video. And kung may suggestion kayo about a look na gusto nyo ipagawa sa akin, please comment below dito. At tatry kong gawin para sa inyo. So, please don't forget again to like, subscribe, and share my video. I will see you soon.